Tofino, isa sa mga lugar na matagal nang nasa bucket list naming puntahan mula nung ikinasal kami. Isang coastal town na dinadagsa ng libu-libong turista taon-taon dahil sa natural nitong kagandahan, mahabang beaches, at syempre, camping. Kaya samahan nyo kami ngayon sa trip namin and let's explore Tofino. Pero bago yan, dito tayo magsimula. Ang Tofino ay matatagpuan sa pinakakanlurang bahagi o sa west side ng Vancouver Island. At kasalukuyan, may dalawang paraan lang kung paano pumunta doon. By plane or by ferry. Yung nakita nyong plane kanina, hindi yun. Pang tours lang yun. At itong ferry na nakikita nyo ngayon, hindi rin to papuntang Tofino. Papunta siya ng nanay mo. Hindi nanay mo, pero nanay mo. 4 nights and 5 days kaming mag-i-stay sa Tofino, kaya papunta pa lang doon, punong-puno na agad ang kotse namin. Higit 1.5 oras ang biyahe by ferry from Horseshoe Bay Terminal sa West Vancouver papunta sa Departure Bay Terminal sa Nanaimo. Matagal-tagal rin, pero buti na lang, mula nung Spring 2023, inalaw ng PC Ferries na makatungtong ang mga fur babies sa upper deck. Kaya kahit mahangin, dito na kami nagpalipas ng oras at nagbabad sa ilalim ng araw.
A 2.5-hour drive from here. What I didn't know actually before this trip was there's actually a wildfire on the way there. So I just saw a road that's been closed up already.
Okay.
Look at that. So up in Nanaimo it was blue skies, but once we get here things turn a little orange. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Right there, oh, by the
It's
water.
right by the water, yeah.
Ayun,
right by the
nakikita ko
lake.
yung apoy yung up there.
Can't see it.
See it?
Right here, this one
Yung
right
malaking smoke na yan, go look up.
above it.
Above it, there's a big... Oh no, you can't see it now.
Oh my god. So I think it's about 60 hectares or something. I think that's what I saw. So I think any camping around this area has been cancelled. I'm assuming if there is some campsites here, then there's an evacuation order. Yeah, this
You know,
picnic area is fully closed.
sorry na.
The park is closed. Full fort.
Ito ang realidad sa Canada kada summer. Kung ang Pilipinas ay binabaha at binabagyo, ang Canada naman ay nasusunog.
Sa
Oh, right
baba.
there, across here, right there.
Ayun oh, mga bahay yun oh. Or cabins or whatnot.
Nagbabago ang simoy ng hangin at ang mga tanawin nagtatago sa likod ng usok.
Say it's supposed to rain in Tofino. I don't know if it's gonna rain here as well. If it does rain, that's a good sign.
Nagsisinungaling ako kung sasabihin kong hindi kami nag-aalala habang dumadaan dito. Dahil ito lang ang nag-iisang daan papunta at palabas ng Tofino. Hi! Si Mau pala to from The Editing Future at gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo na nanonood ng video na to. And it would really mean a lot to me if you can give the video a like. At kung may tropa kang pupunta sa Tofino, share mo na rin tong video sa kanila. If you want to see my future adventures, make sure you subscribe below. But for now, let's go back to the adventure. Makalipas ang ilang kilometro, kumlaro ang mga langit at natamaan ulit si Milo ng sikat ng araw. 2 oras na rin kaming nasa biyahe nung naisipan naming tumigil muna para makagamit ng banyo. At dahil sa stop na ito, aksidente naming natagpuan ang isa sa mga hidden gems sa Vancouver Island. Ang plano talaga namin dito ay si Hershey lang ang bababa, pero dahil sa curiosity niya, ito ang natatnan namin. At At kung nagtataka ka kung saan ito ang Taylor River Rest Area.
What was your description earlier?
Yung kitang-kita mo sila naglalakad sa tubig.
And like every rock, you can just see everything.
Isa sa mga bucket list pupunta dito.
Is it?
Yeah! May pupunta dito para lang mag-paddleboard.
Then clear white water daw. And it's like a stopover daw, papuntang Kopi. That's so cool.
It's really nice. Look how clear that water is. It's super clear. So it's like people can go to the beach there. Some people are paddleboarding from like the other side where the rocky area is. And apparently there's a cliff over here. I see some towels there, I
Paano
think.
sila, kita mo sila kung
People
lumalaki?
can jump. Look how clear that water is. It's amazing. The water is very clear. Water is nice and cool.
River siya, but it doesn't look like a river. Kasi hindi ganun kalakas yung awis ng tubig.
Yeah, parang cool lang siya, to be honest. It's a river pero parang cool lang talaga. The water is not really... I mean, dito sa tabi ko, dito, the water's flowing here. Dahil din sa little opening na yan, it's flowing. But here, while you're here, this part of the river, parang lang siyang lake. And it's very, very nice. The water is crazy clear here. See, I'm gonna stand here and let the water sit. The water is up to my waist, but you can still see my feet. You can still see the rocks all the way out there. This is by far probably the best river we've ever been to. And we're not even supposed to go here. It was supposed to be just a rest stop.
At pagkalipas ng isang oras pang pagmamaneho, sa wakas, nakarating din kami sa aming campground. Ito ang Greenpoint Campground na matatagpuan sa loob ng Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, isa sa 7 national park at national park reserves sa British Columbia.
This is your camping permit. If you're not on your campsite, we don't want to see anything that could attract bear, wolves, and cougars. So anything you cook with, or anything you clean with. So anything with a scent, really, will have to go inside your car or the bear loggers.
Ang campground na ito ay may 94 reservable sites na may power hookup, 20 walk-in sites at isang authentic cabin. Merong 4 na washrooms na may outdoor sink, flushing toilets, hot water at showers. Ayos, di ba? Kaya hindi ka taka-taka kung bakit fully booked palagi ang lugar na ito tuwing camping season. Pasensya na din at hindi ko na na-videohan ang buong campsite. Na-stress kasi ako sa una naming naging problema.
Mas walang tunog yung propane.
Hindi ko napagana yung stove, kaya kailangan mag-improvise. Buti na lang may fire pit kaming dala at doon na lang kami nagluto. Hindi ko to recommended, pero at this point, no choice na talaga. Ilang oras kaming nasa biyahe at walang makakatalo sa mainit na pagkain. Lalo na sa spam at itlog. All day breakfast lang ang peg, di ba? Ganyan kami pag nagka-camping. Kung ano lang ang madaling lutuin para mas madaming oras para makapag-relax at makapag-explore. Tsaka, ang hirap kaya maghugas ng pinggan pag wala sa bahay. Kaya for tonight, pwedeng-pwede na to. Ang Greenpoint Campground ay matatagpuan sa pagitan ng dalawang bayan. Sa norte, ang bayan ng Tofino na may estimated population na 3,000. Sa timog naman, ang bayan ng Ucluelet na may population na 2,600. Kung maniwala kayo sa hindi, Ang dalawang bayan na to ay humahatak ng halos 600,000 na turista taon-taon dahil sa likas nitong kagandahan. Kaya ano pa hinihintay natin? Time to hit the road and let's explore. Isa sa mga tanawin ay matatagpuan sa Ucluelet, isang coastal scenic hike na tinatawag na Wild Pacific Trail. Ang loop trail na ito ay may habang 2.6 kilometers kung saan may mga magagandang viewpoints ng Pacific Ocean. In terms of difficulty, huwag ka mag-alala. Halos flat lang ang buong trail, kaya relax lang at sulitin ang mga view.
The Lighthouse Loop Trail right now, and according to the information board, it's supposed to take 45 to 60 minutes, but we have a feeling it might take us 2 hours to complete the whole loop just because there's so many viewpoints, and no, we like taking breaks. All right, a reading break and a snack break for this guy.
Plano namin ay kumpletuhin ang buong loop. Pero pagdating namin dito sa Lighthouse Viewpoint, pinili na naming bumalik na. May napagod kasi sa amin. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung sino. At quick trivia lang, ang lugar pala na ito ay iconic sa mundo ng Microsoft. Ang lighthouse na ito ay isa pala sa mga naging default wallpaper ng Windows 7. Sa kabilang side nga lang, ngayong na-scratch na namin ang aming trail itch, mag-relax naman tayo sa beach. Ang Tofino ay kilala bilang surf capital ng Canada. Kaya naman, madaming beaches ang pwedeng puntaan over this 42-kilometer coastline. Ito ang mga main beaches and I'm sure na meron pang iba na hindi ko na isama. Pero para sa amin, dito kami pumunta sa Long Beach. Ang Long Beach ay ang pinakamalaki at pinakamahabang beach sa Pacific Rim National Park Reserve. Kaya nga, Long Beach. May haba ito na 16 kilometers at ubod ng lawak. Tiyak, makakahanap ka ng lugar kung saan wala kang katabing ibang tao. Halos solo mo ang buong beach. Tulad na lang neto. Ito ay nasa north end ng Long Beach kung saan may undisturbed sunset views at one to sawa sa pictures. Or pwede din dito. Dito kami nag-relax during the day sa south end ng Long Beach dahil walking distance lang mula sa campsite namin. Unfortunately, hindi kami nagkaroon ng chance para matry mag-surfing. Pero okay lang yun. Marinig lang yung hampas ng alon at makapaglakad sa beach, masaya na kami. Sinulit na lang namin ang aming oras sa ibang paraan.
Mamaw! Ang lalim! Ah! Look! Lumalambot yung ano. Should I? Ah! Look at that! Spitting water. May binasa akong book, so I know it was alive. But I didn't think that it's gonna come out. I wanna get some water. It's just alive. Ang galing, oh. No! It's not moving anymore. Stop it. Huh? I know I killed it. I'm saving it. I'm gonna get more liquid. water. Oh no, they stopped moving. Nalamig na ako.
When we're at the beach, she looks for shells. When we're at the lake, she looks for rocks. And this guy just watches us. Milo! Milo! Hey bud! This is the Tofino waves. There's a guy surfing over there. Or bodyboarding, I don't know. What is that?
Are you tired?
Tired? Do you wanna take a nap?
At para ipagpatuloy ang aming shell hunting, pumunta din kami dito. Ito ang Chesterman Beach. Ayon sa isang article online, ito ay number 16 sa listahan ng best beaches in the world. Kaso nga lang, umulan nung pumunta kami. Mas okay sana kung umaraw. Mas maganda kung may langit na bugaw. Pero wala rin namang problema yon. At sulitin na lang ang panahon na meron. Kaysa magreklamo o magmukmok, hanapin na lang ang positibo. Dahil pagbalik namin sa tunay na buhay, tiyak, hahanap-hanapin namin ang naramdaman namin dito. Kalmado, mabagal, mapayapa, at maligaya.
Stay there, stay there, stay there.
At bago namin tapusin ang trip namin, binisita namin ang mismong bayan ng Tofino. Kung ikukumpara sa Vancouver, napakaliit ng lugar na to. Maliliit ang mga stores, konti lang ang makakainan, at konti lang rin ang mga tao. Pero sa kabila ng yan, super chill ng lugar na to. At halos lahat ng shops, dog friendly.
This one. These ones. You know. Okay, wag na.
Talagang gusto ko yan.
So we are eating out at Big Daddy's Fish Fry. Right? I got the lingcod burger with some fries. Hershey got the chicken and fries, right? And Milo, what do you have? You got treats, right?
Water and treats.
Water and treats. There's the water. The treats are are over there, right there. That's the treats.
Ready?
Rico, what is that? What is that first?
It smells like balsamic vinegar. Watch.
And like, so the
Good stuff.
so you get called out like right.
And the
Look at
chicken.
that.
Look at that smoking. I can see the smoke. Looks good.
A lot of mystery.
Let's see, first bite. So it's chicken.
So that
Right?
Good cooking.
Yeah.
Really?
The interior of this system is brand new.
Here, shot of this.
No. What is this one? Water.
No.
Probably vinegar.
She's like,
And with that meal, dyan po nagtatapos ang aming trip. By far, ito siguro ang pinakamahaba kong video. At kung nandito ka pa hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat sa iyong panonood. Kung nagbabalak kayo pumunta ng Tofino, sana kahit papano nakatulong tong video na to. Madami akong hindi na-cover pero sana nagkaroon kayo ng insight sa mga pwedeng gawin dito. Pwedeng mamasyal ng mabilis, ng mabagal, ng madaming ginagawa, o yung sakto lang. Pero ang mahalaga, nag-enjoy ka at may bago kayong mga alaala. Ako po si Maurice Paulo and I'll see you sa susunod na adventure.